Hey, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out KUXIU's latest 3-in-1 charger, the X40. This has a metal build, it's super compact, and it has 25-watt wireless charging. Let's check it out. So I previously reviewed the KUXIU X55 3-in-1 charger, very similar in its design and everything. We're going to be looking at the differences with the X40 as well and seeing where the differences are and which one will be right for you. So let's start off with the X40 because this has a CNC machined aluminium build or aluminum build for my American fans. And it definitely feels solid. I mean, definitely has that metal solid feel and sound to it, and it has a lot more weight to it as well. But the X55 has a plastic build, so this is made from an eco-friendly plastic, but it definitely does feel more budget in terms of feel and have that plasticky kind of sound. Not to say this is a bad charger though. Both are very different in thickness as well, so you could fit these both in your bag, but one is definitely more pocketable. So the X40 is just 0.71 inches thick, and the X55 is 1.28 inches thick. So there is quite a difference in the thickness. And most of these differences are physical. In terms of their feature set, they are going to be very similar, but we'll look at that later on in the video. So the main differences between these two chargers is in the way that they can charge. So with the X40, it just has this vertical stand mode. So you can charge your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods just in this vertical mode. There's no other kind of option. With the X55, you've got this way of charging it as well in this kind of vertical mode, but you've also got like a flat mode as well. So you can actually charge all of this flat on your desk. And then you've got that flexibility of if you want to charge it flat on your nightstand, and if you want to take it to your desk in the office, then you can charge it in this vertical mode. They both have USB-C ports, but the KUXIU X40's USB-C port is on the back, whereas the X55's is on the side. So you've got that versatility if you want to charge it flat or not. One of the things that I do prefer on the X55 is the way that the Apple Watch charger kind of pops out. I like that it's kind of pushes down rather than the X40's version, which is pushed up. Not that it affects anything, I just prefer that layout. The X40 definitely does look more premium and feel more premium, has a bit more weight to it as well, compared to the X55, which does feel more plastic and light. Looking at this chart between the two, you can see the materials where the X40 has that premium CNC aluminum alloy build, and then the KUXIU X55 has that plasticky build. Then you've also got the slimness where the X40 is definitely more pocketable compared to the chunkier build of the X55. Then you've got the vertical versus folding flat, where the X40 only has this stand mode, but it does look really premium. It looks really nice on your desk or your nightstand. And then you've got with the X55 this flat option, so you can charge all three. And then you've got the placement of the USB-C port if you prefer it on the back, where you just want to have it in that nightstand mode where you're kind of standing up and it's all looking quite premium. In terms of the charging for the X40 and the X55, both support Qi 2.2 fast wireless charging up to 25 watts. So if you have an iPhone 16 or up, then you're definitely going to be supported with that 25 watts. If you've got the iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max or anything less than that, then you're going to be looking at 15-watt charging. And for the Apple Watch and the AirPods, both have 5-watt wireless charging. With both of these as well, you also do get a nice hard case. So that's a really nice little add-on. And they do both come with a USB-C to USB-C braided cable and a 45-watt GaN charger. That's gallium nitride for those of you who don't know. But I want to add something because this is the Ugreen 65-watt wireless charger, and this is the KUXIU one that comes in the box. Now, when having a completely travel-friendly setup, this looks so good together. Now, the thing I like about this is, one, it's got 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A port there, and it folds. So similar to how this also folds up, this also folds, which makes it a lot more travel-friendly and compact as well. And I absolutely love that. I'm not saying this charger is bad or anything. I'm not making any massive complaints in terms of having this, but if you're going to put so much effort into the design of this, I mean, other accessories can also have that as well. I absolutely love this foldable design, and I think more people should be doing it with their chargers, especially if you're going to be making travel chargers as well. Just a little thing that I wanted to kind of throw in there. But ultimately, who are these chargers for? If you're looking for something that is more budget friendly and has the option of being vertical or flat, then the X55 is definitely the one for you that you want to check out. If you want something that has a really premium feel that will fit in with your Apple devices in terms of the whole build quality and everything, then definitely the X40 with that metal build, really compact design. The X40 is definitely the option. I'll leave affiliate links to the X40 and the X55 down in the description, as it does really help out the channel. If you do want to support the channel even more, then you can also join as a member where I've got some tech tutorial videos and I've got some different tiers for that as well. So definitely check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And peace.